Hello, my friends. It's time for a new card base. Are you excited? I am thrilled. Actually, I have two card bases to share with you today. The first one is another crisscross card. I know we are all madly in love with the crisscross cards. And let me just tell you, this one is so awesome. It is called Elegant Flower. It is so pretty. Now, some of you are saying, what is a crisscross card? Well, here's another example of one that we have on our website already. I'll show you the samples to this one in just a second. But what is it? It's a crisscross card that literally is a crisscross. And the best part about it is it folds flat for mailing. But when you do something really special, I'll show you on the other ones, and put it in the envelope, it's even more amazing. So stay tuned for that. Then we've had so many requests for this. We literally snuck it into the release schedule. It is an A1 cross flip it. Like I said, we've had so many requests for this one. We got it on the schedule as quickly as we could. I included words in here that say, God loves you, love you. You can do different things with that. Also some cute little hearts with little crosses on them. And then you could also say God is love. Lots of options on this one. But you could also add God bless you. So I have samples. Don't worry, I know this doesn't look like much. Last but not least, and then I can get into my samples, is remember last month I showed you this sample with our Get Well set? And I said, isn't that background awesome? Sorry, you can't buy it because Stephanie messed up. Well, now you can buy it. I know a lot of you have been asking. Finally, it is here. It is called the Dream background because Stephanie must have been in a dream. She forgot to order it. So it's called the Dream background and it is so intricate. Please make sure you have the adhesive sheets on the back. You will thank me later, just saying. So let's jump in and look at that one right away. So here it is, absolutely gorgeous, but I want to show you because a lot of people sometimes don't understand or can't visualize how different it can look with just different colors. You can do it horizontal or vertical. 3 different cards, the same background die, every single one totally different. Isn't that awesome? I know. You guys, you're going to fall in love with this one. You can also, crash. You can also emboss with it if you want to, which is really fun. Here's a beautiful one. What a quick and easy card, right? Couple die cuts and you're done, ready to go. Here's another fun one. Sending you a hug. Love it, love it. Now, here is the God bless you with our inverted rectangles, our reverse corner rectangles. Almost forgot that one, but look, 2 different versions. God bless you or God bless you with those reverse corner rectangles. Can't get that one out for some reason. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now, let's look at their Elegant card now. Elegant, again, folds flat for mailing. Now watch this, you guys. It comes with the flower on the inside. Let's do it on this one first. So here it is. It comes with this flower. It comes with a fun background die that you can add these little dots to make the flowers. But what you're going to do when you add it into your card, when you add it into your envelope, first you're going to spin this. Spin, 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 spin. And then you're going to put it, do I have an envelope right here? I do. Look at this. Whoops, that's not the right size envelope. Let's just grab this one. Okay, then you're going to put it into your envelope. Remember, I spun that a whole bunch of times. I put that into my envelope. And when you give it to the person, they're going to open this up. Watch this. Ready? Watch the flower. I'm going to open it up and watch. It turns. It like spins around and around and around. It's so fun. There's a cute one. Look at how cute that is with all those extra little flowers on it, all decorated, ready to go. Here's another one. If I spin it a whole bunch of times, watch this. Ready? You can put anything on the inside. Ready? Ready? Watch this. When they open it, what? I know, isn't that fun? And look, it stands so you can decorate all of the sides. Perfect for your paper pads. When you have extra paper on your paper pads, these are perfect. Here's a cute one with our little birthday cats. Look how cute. You can also do it as a try instead, just 3 if you want. Look at how cute that is. That flower is gorgeous. You're going to fall in love with that flower, by the way. It's so intricate. I love it. It's elegant. As they say, it's elegant. There's another one with that gorgeous flower on the inside. So pretty. Let's look at some more. Here's another pretty one. Now, when you make this card for someone, this is a type of card that they are going to display. They are going to display this one for a long time. That and the flip-its and the stand-ups, Those they're going to display a long time. If you sometimes send them just a flat card, sometimes they don't keep it very long. But this one, they are going to put on their mantles. That's what I do when I get my favorite cards. They're going to put it on their mantles because when people come over and admire it, they're going to show them, watch, watch. If you turn this like this a whole bunch of times, watch what happens when you open it. What? It spins. And people are going to go, whoa, how'd you make that? And they're going to go, I didn't make it. My friend gave it to me. See? See, I know, right? Now, let's look at some God Bless You. So here's God Bless You with our reverse corners, which I absolutely love. Now let's look at our A1 crisscross. Look at how gorgeous that is. Pray, wait, trust, love you. It's also, that also includes the pray strips to stamp stamps. Look at that. Now, keep in mind this is perfect for Easter. Perfect for baptism, perfect for any time of year. God bless you. Oh, a gift card in that one. How fun is that? Definitely good any time of the year, right? Sometimes when somebody just needs a little pick-me-up, God is love. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those cute little hearts I added. I love those. Here's one just with that. Oh, but you can also, don't forget, do the hidden panel if you want to. God loves you. Just a nice reminder. Oh, I love this heart. Look at the heart on the cross. Isn't that beautiful? God loves you. Because sometimes people just need a little reminder, especially that you're thinking of them and they need to know that. Here's a beautiful God bless you. Isn't that awesome? Now, club members, you know the rules at the Stamps of Life. You are getting 15 to 20% off my entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. I love to say that. Every single day, every single order, every single item. There's no asterisks. There's nothing that says excludes blah, 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 blah. Nope, every single item. Now, if you get these items the first 24 hours they're on my website, not only do you get your club discount, you also get the flash sale price as long as they're not sold out. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not in the club, you need to join at least the Stamp Club. Start slow. I get it. You're a little like, I don't know. Just join the Stamp Club. That's all you have to do. Then you're going to get your 15% discount off of everything. And your discount is awesome because it starts immediately. You join that Stamp Club, half a second later, boom, you're getting the discount on any order you place. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for us to approve you or anything like that. Boom, it's automatic. I know, it's pretty amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Join the club if you're not in it, and then go get these awesome items, hopefully still on flash sale. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.